What's going on? What's happened to my town? The Great Deliverer knows best? Who is that? This is all crazy! Oh, I gotta get out more. This city looks like something from Bark Rogers in the 21st century.
Actually, it is the 23rd century.
Who said that?
I did, sir.
Yeah! Then it's true. This is the future. Man, I've overslept before, but 200 years is nuts. Yeah, this is great. I'm 1,428 in dog years. All my friends are gone. Oh, and I haven't eaten in 2 centuries.
There is a canine food dispenser on the next block, sir.
Well, I am hungry.
Scan confirms there's a free dog in this vicinity.
Oh, another pupil for the Great Deliverer's Obedience School, huh?
Well, let's see. Filet mignon with the extra mignon. Ah. Delish! Oh, a dog could get used to this future.
You're under arrest. Step away from the spoon with your paws up.
Huh?
Don't make a move.
Hey, I don't want any trouble, guys. I chewed, but I didn't taste. Honest!
Ah, you are here, officers. I stalled this rebel as long as possible. He is probably part of that nasty Bow Wow underground.
Oh, just my luck. Betrayed by a talking sidewalk.
No leash, no collar, no respect.
A violation of the Great Deliverer's Canine Obedience Act of 2192.
Oh, let me zap him, please.
Look, officer, he is getting away.
Oh, I love it when they resist arrest. There's nowhere to run, outlaw.
Could you just let me off with a stern warning?
Ready? Aim!
Itchy!
The name's Scratchy Itchaford of the Bow Wow Underground.